You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this word, meaning bureau. In French, we'll be looking at how to say more French vocabulary as well, and how to say it correctly in French. So in French it means an office or a desk as well, rather than purely like an organization, a bureau, as in the FBI, for example. So bureau means more office or desk in French, and it's said as bureau, bu, so that's the French sound for u, bureau, E-A-U together form the sound of O. Bureau, no stress on any particular syllables. You can say bureau or bureau, doesn't matter. Bureau, it's how you say bureau, let's say, in French. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more French. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.